In this lecture, we're going to talk about how to install Rust onto Windows 10. To start off, we're going to head over to the official Rust website, which you can get to through the resources folder, and we're going to download the rustup.init.exe. I'm going to download the 64-bit as I'm running a 64-bit machine, but if you're running a 32-bit machine, download the 32-bit. I've already downloaded it. So once you have successfully downloaded it, you will want to next install the Visual Studio C++ build tools. Again, I have already downloaded and installed these. So once you download it and run the installer, you are going to get prompted on what you want to install. All you have to do is select the desktop development with C++. Once that has downloaded and successfully installed, you're going to want to run the rustup.init.exe installer. What this is going to do is it's going to automatically install the latest version of Rust for you. It's also going to go ahead and modify your path variable, which is going to allow you to access all the Rust related binaries from either your terminal or through PowerShell, which is super helpful. So you will want to type 1, which is going to proceed with the default installation, and this takes a couple of seconds to do. So once it's done downloading and installing the necessary components, we are going to make sure that we have successfully installed the latest version of Rust. So we have successfully finished. We're going to press the Enter key to exit the installer. We are now going to open up the terminal, and we are going to run rustc version. And as you can see, I have successfully installed Rust 1.57.0, which is the latest version at the time of this recording.